was happy in the haze of a drunken hour, but heaven knows I'm miserable now. I was looking